The race bike lives once again. Plan for today?
What is the plan for today?
Well, I don't know. What's that? Has that got to do with anything?
Maybe.
But that is just focusing on that. I reckon they want to see a bit of welding. You any good at it?
No.
What you welded?
My van.
Let's have a look. Let's go have a look.
The rain last night.
I mean, is this where you fucked up and thought, fuck it, I'll weld it back. I'll grind it back.
Something like that. Yeah.
You better get that done now, wouldn't you? I mean, what is it, BMW?
Well, that bit is.
Apparently this is BMW now.
But the water got to that then.
Might be worth just to cut the whole section out.
Oh yeah, that was a plan with that bit anyway.
I never knew. So I want to carry on with this here. Have you got heat? Any means of heat? Yeah, because look at that shit there. Shit. But you're pleased to know it's looking nice in the engine. He's just woken up. This is him in his natural habitat.
I've got flame heat or I've got...
I don't want any of your sexual heat, mate. He's given enough of that the other night, mate. Perfect.
Additional heat gun.
So we got the CBR 600 engine. There's not a lot really to do to it. I'm going to be taking the rocker cover off just to check the valve adjustments and check the cam chain tension. And that's a good point. Where is it? Where's the cam chain tension? Oh, it's down there. It's a solid state. You can't adjust it or anything, so that should be okay. I'm going to check the condition of the spark plugs, and let's go from there. So let's whip it off. So I've taken all the bolts out here, but if you can see kind of the detail there, I don't know whether we can focus in on that, maybe. There we go, it's filthy all around here. So as soon as you take it off, focus that in there. As soon as you take all that off, all of that dirt is just going to go inside of the top of the engine, which we don't really want. So just get a rag or anything like that. Just take all the dirt off. If we got some of just a bit of that, spray it. Okay, get rid of all that dirt. It'll lift off, hopefully. See if we can do it one-handed. What's this here? Right, that doesn't need to come on. Right. Well, someone likes sealing. Let's just get all of this off here. Keep that safe because we're going to be reusing it again, so that's how safe we go. So, that's where we are. Let's have a look at that, see if we can brighten this up a bit. That's as bright as we can go. So, basically, I'm going to check on the condition of the cams, as we're using this as a track bike, I want to look at all the little bits. As using this as a track bike, I want to make sure the tolerances are perfect. So, any scoring on the cams? Nothing that I can see, or nothing major that I can see. But it's looking good. So what I'm going to be adjusting today are the tappets. So if you see, let's see if we can zoom in there. Maybe it's getting to that there. See them things there? It's got the phone light in there. Are you going to focus? No? Oh, it's not going to focus, but anyway. Them things there. I'll go through it in a bit. We'll have a look. I'm just going to take the spark plugs out quickly, check the condition of them, and we're good to go. Right, this is why it's always good when you're ever going to be doing any major stuff to a bike, and you're going to be taking it on the track, or you've just bought a bike and it's a bit rough around the edges. Check it, because I don't know whether you can see. These spark plugs are still in, and I have not touched them. I was just trying to find the right bit. Let's wipe it off there. Right, so I've just put it on, just to see. Look at this. The spark plug is loose. Right, why is that loose? Have they not put it in properly, or has it stripped the thread? So let's pull that out and actually find out. It's a bit disconcerting, that really. I'm sure Chris will have to have a joke about it. Forget all the stuff on the top, because that's just dirt that's been in there, but it's running a bit rich, isn't it? A bit too much fuel getting in there. But I'll pull out all the other ones and see how it's going. So I'll get back to you in a bit. Take the kind of all the shitty paint, all the blue and green that had been painted on there willy-nilly, just getting all of that off, all this shit here, and then we had to get the polish on it and clean her up, eh? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
An album next year. Ricky Warwick, Scott Gorham, and the rest of the guys are back with a 16-day UK and Ireland run.
This is what Peggy does. He will have a plan of attack for the day, and then something will happen where his focus will be completely changed. Isn't that right? I mean, what the fuck is this rig here?
Eh?
What's this rig?
Well, so you got electric and I got electric.
Oh, okay. We should have electric together. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fucking hell. That's why you're tying the disc up. You're not tying it?
No, it's the something's gone.
What do you mean? Oh.
I should have did that with the hammer yesterday. Or whatever day it was.
Can you not just fucking cuss it all out? I'm just making, and just like make a wider arch.
Alright, roll it back in now.
Have you got enough material on that door? Yeah, fucking hell. Oh, it is a BMW door, fucking hell. Yeah. It's a convertible one, isn't it? Pretty good job. What, did you do it in the vice, did you? Have you got the little canal?
No, I haven't, but yeah, probably.
It's pretty good going. I am impressed, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Got you on camera now, so you got to do it good. Ew.
Saxon on Wheels of Steel to get us underway this afternoon. So it's the request show for the next 4 hours. What do you want to hear? 81400 on the text. Start with the word.
So they're not in the best of condition, so what we'll do, we'll get the airline, we'll blow them all out. So here's just one here. Let me get focus on that.